Hello viewers, today we are going to practice on spoken English. This is a girl who will speak in English today and she is my partner. Today she is going to tell you about herself. Okay, you continue.
Hi friends, today I am talking about myself. My name is Somi De. My father's name is Srijib De. My mother's name is Riya De. I read in class 6. I am 11 years old. I live at Chandpur in Paschim Mednipur. My hobby is drawing. I want to be a research scientist in future. Thank you.
Excellent. Now you see how nicely she presented her speech, and actually she here expresses her thoughts very bravely. She is a very brave girl. Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir.